Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark II, I recommend you to go for the Play Store and get application Opera Mini. There's the browser and they got the partnership with the AdBlock Plus, so you don't have to connect any external application. And right now I'm gonna show you how it works. So if you download, just open. Click continue. And right now we can enter maybe this one on this website. We don't want to switch to reader mode. Click on no thanks. And as you can see there, we got the notifications that the first ads were blocked. So right now when we scroll down, we cannot find here any ads. So as you can see, it's really cool and really easy to use. I hope that'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!